Ever pondered the art of creating your own luxurious, fragrant, and gentle soaps right at home? Delve into the world of soap making as we uncover 5 exceptional tips that will elevate your soap crafting skills, transforming you into a seasoned soap artist. 1. Always choose quality ingredients. The secret to a magnificent bar of soap lies in the selection of superior ingredients. Opt for high-quality oils like coconut, olive, or shea butter. Remember, the better the ingredients, the more nourishing your soap will be for your skin. 2. Master the art of temperature control. The temperature at which you combine your lye and oils can greatly influence the final outcome of your soap. Aim for about 86 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That is between 30 to 38 degrees Celsius for both. This will ensure a smooth and even soap batter, leading to a beautifully consistent bar of soap. 3. Experiment with color and design. Unleash your creativity and play around with various colors and designs. Whether you prefer a swirl of hues or a simple solid color, the choice is yours. Soap making is an art, not just a science. So let your imagination take the reins. 4. Patience is key. Soap making is a process that cannot be rushed. Allow your soap to cure properly, typically for 4 to 6 weeks. This curing period ensures that the soap is fully saponified, making it milder, harder, and longer lasting. 5. Safety first. Always remember to protect yourself while making soap. Lye, a key ingredient in soap making, can cause burns if it comes in contact with skin. Wear protective gloves, long-sleeved shirts, and eye protection to keep yourself safe. In conclusion, soap making is a delightful blend of art and science that requires quality ingredients, precise temperature control, creative designs, patience, and safety. By integrating these 5 tips into your soap making routine, you are sure to craft soaps that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also nourishing and gentle on the skin. I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Much love and big hugs to you.